Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash out your earnings from the Novelah app step by step and easy withdrawal tutorial. Let's get started. First, open the Novelah app and log into your account. Then go to the Me icon or section, then tap on Enter Invitation Code. Use this invitation code to earn bonus points. 18119541. This gives you a 30,000 points bonus just for entering the code. I repeat, 18119541. Then after earning points, go back to the Me tab and tap on the Redeem or Points Record. Choose your preferred payout method. You can choose a Gcash, PayPal, ML Diamonds, and for the withdraw and get paid, select the amount of points you want to exchange. Confirm the conversion rate and details, and also accept the terms and condition. Then just wait for 1 to 5 days for the payout to be completed. And that's it. Super easy and fast to cash out from Novelah. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.